Country bass playing, the secret of success. Today's video you will be given some suggestions on how to improve your country bass lines, and if you want to improve your country bass lines, leave me a comment down below, either yes or no. Alright, well hello, I'm Donald with the bass instructor of the How to Play Bass online course at iwantoplaybass.com. Jump over there, subscribe, become a member for free, get your free ebook on setting up your bass, everything you need to know on how to set this up to you, and when you're ready to sign up and get well on your way to bass playing, sign up and reach your bass playing goals. And this is I Want to Play Bass, your YouTube channel, everything bass, tips, lessons, gear reviews, and stuff like that. So subscribe, hit that bell notification, get in the loop, and don't miss a beat. Alright, so quick question. What's the most played bass in country music? Leave me a comment if you know below, and look forward to hearing from you. Alright, so after researching, studying, and following the top country session basses, I've found some similarities in each way that they do things, and in my opinion these are the secrets of their success. So number one is going to be clarity. You've got to have a clear vision, and these guys had a clear vision of what they wanted to do. They all took different paths to their goal, but they had a clear vision on where they wanted to go. They had that clear vision, and that's what you need. You need the clarity. You need to know what you want to get out of this by far. You've got to know, you've just got to have a clear vision. I want to be a session bassist. That's it. You got to have that in the forefront of your mind, and that will play itself out. You've got to have that clear vision though, and you've got to stick with that clear vision. Okay, you can't be wishy-washy and go from here, there, that to this. You've got to stick to it, okay? And it will pan out just like you plan, okay? So that's the first thing they had, and that's the most important thing to have in anything you attempt to do is clarity, a clear vision on that path, a clear path, clear vision of that path you need to take to get to where you need to be, okay? All right, and when they had that clear vision, it made step number two a little easier to do. They dedicated themselves. The dedication, the decision to dedicate yourself to that clear vision, they did without a doubt, and that's how they made what they needed to make. So they had number two. So number two is dedication. They were dedicated to their clear vision and a decision to make that happen. That was all that was taken, and that's all you need. It's just that dedication to it, just putting out that extra effort and dedicating to that clear vision. So get your pen and paper out and write down your clear vision so you can dedicate your time to that every single day. That's what's going to get you there, is the repetition, the consistency, and the continuous work at it. And by keeping that in the forefront of your mind and in the forefront of their minds, it just made it automatically attracted the opportunities to them without, you don't even know it. It's just like the law of attraction. You just knew, you just had this in the forefront of your mind, so that's what's going to attract people around you to you. It's just, the neurons and everything, it's just a powerful thing the mind is. And when they had that in their forefront of their mind, it made that everything possible. The opportunities opened up for them, and some people looked at it like, oh, they just had the breaks, but no, they didn't have the breaks. That was, when you look at it like that, you're defeating yourself. You're thinking that these people had certain breaks and stuff like that. They did have these breaks, but they had that clear vision in the forefront of their mind, so they attracted those opportunities. They didn't get breaks, they attracted those opportunities, and you will attract these opportunities as well. So that's part of the law of attraction. So it gets a little deep there, your mindfulness and everything like that, but we can talk more about that if you want, but we're just getting on these three tips here that got these guys to where they needed to be, and that was it. That was definitely the forefront, the clear vision, that dedication, and being in the forefront of their mind created the opportunities for them, and it attracted the opportunities that they needed to succeed at it, okay? And it's going to happen. If you keep that in the forefront, it will happen. And with that dedication, they had the discipline to put in those reps every single day. Every single day, they put something forth, if not all of their time during the day, to that clear vision, to that goal they had and that vision they had. They put all their time in there, and this comes into number three, is discipline. You've got to have the discipline to do that. You've got to have the discipline to step back from whatever's holding you back, or whatever, dial in what it is that's holding you back, and get rid of that. Get it out of the picture and get rid of it. Do away with it. Lose that bad habit and grow. Grow yourself to what you need to grow it to become where you want it, to get where you want to go, and that is discipline. It's going to take discipline to make that happen. The discipline to do the reps, to continuously do the reps, is ideal and detrimental to your success. And as Rick Nadella said, I've quoted this before, what do you do when you get tired of practicing? You're practicing and practicing, and you just feel like you're not getting anywhere. It's like, you just keep practicing. So what do? He's got the answer for that. Is keep practicing. Keep practicing. Don't give up. Give one extra practice, one extra minute, one extra 10 minutes, one extra lesson. Give extra. Go the extra mile. Go the rougher road, the path less chosen. Take that path. Okay. Definitely do that. You've got to. If you want to succeed at it, that's where these guys, the secrets of their success was they stood out from the crowd. They did different stuff. They, the discipline, the clarity, the dedication. They had that, and they stood out from the crowd, where the crowd gets, after a while of doing it, and they're not, stimulating and stuff like that, they get bored. They're not getting the gratification soon enough. So what do? They quit. And these guys never quit. They went without for such a long time, which is not a bad thing. Suffering is kind of how we grow. So you've got to do that so you can appreciate the other things in life. When you go without things, you've disciplined yourself to go without something that you didn't need, then that's how you grow. So those are the secrets of their success, and that's what I see is the secret to success. Is those. You've got to have that clear vision. You've got to have the dedication to that clear vision, and the discipline. And you got to stick with it. You never quit. Those opportunities will arise without a doubt. So you don't quit. Keep going. 10 years later, you keep going. This thing isn't learned quick. It's a process, and it takes all three of those. So there are the secrets of success in any endeavor you choose: clarity, dedication, and discipline. These are the stepping stones to everything you want to do in life. All right, so before this video ends, help you hit that like button, and the answer to the question of the most used bass out there, if you guessed it, congratulations, it is the P bass. That is the most used bass. You see other basses out there in country music, but the P bass is most seen and most played. Just that low, deep tone that they have is ideal for country music. So definitely, it's the P bass. So go out and get you one. And if not, jump over to Bassist Gear Corner and get yours today. All right. So, like I said, help you hit that like button, and I will catch y'all on the flip flop in the next video. So bye for now.